He was a very principled man. First of all, I think he worked in Teso in the local administration. Then one time, they were in parliament here. He was a minister. He said something which Obote did not like. And then Obote shouted, "Why don't you cross the floor and go on the other side?" And then he crossed the floor. There and then. And he remained on the opposition until Amin overthrew the constitution.